This is a video for Garrett over at Tactical Repair. So when I got here, I got a bobbed A2 with the white multi-fuel. Anyways, like you were talking about a couple weeks ago, yeah, my bushings down here. I just got the single dog bone on here, and whoever bobbed this truck shortened it, stuck it in a little bit of 1/4-inch wall box tubing, and welded it all the way around. This seems all right. I don't see any issue with this. I mean, whatever. But these are all frickin' dry rotted and shot. And then the other one I found was this. So this frame rail's cracked top and bottom, and that's all the torque action from this thing just killed it. So what I'm gonna end up doing, since I got the bed off here, is these rivets are all coming out on this cross rail here, and this is going to get straightened, flame straightened, well, stitched back together, and then on the inside here I'm going to plate it. I got a bunch of 1/4-inch plate in the yard, and I'm going to plate the full length of it, and then plate the inside and bottom, because nothing else runs through here except this air line back to the emergency brake. So it's plenty of room for what I got to do to it. But also, whoever bobbed it before, I put some 1/2 inchers in here, but I'm gonna square this up, probably weld an extension on here so I can get some flat material for these to go on. These are the spring perches for the rear axles. So that's their bottom. This just keeping my the valves on my air tanks closed. But this here, these were all 3/8 bolts, and every single one of them was stretched and loose. So I threw a bunch of grade 8 halves in there with lock nuts, nylocks. But yeah, that's gonna be my weekend. Yeah, I don't. This doesn't give me a warm and fuzzy.